Hello everyone, welcome to the new series of variations. So in this series we will be learning about a new concept that is called as the Woodall number. So there are the first few Woodall numbers I have been written over here. These are the first few Woodall numbers. So one important thing to notice about them is that all of them are the odd numbers. So for determining if a number is a Woodall number, there are some criteria. So number 1 point criteria is that should be an odd number, okay, not even number. Number second point, if it is an odd number, then only we will proceed further for checking up the next criteria, and that is we will do one thing. We will increment the given number by 1 and then we will divide it by 2 until it is even and count the number of times it is divisible. So at each point we have to check if the count is equal to the given number or not. If it is equal, then we will say that yes, it is a Woodall number, otherwise not. So for example, if I'll be taking a number, say 383 I have taken, okay. Now let me just proceed for checking if it is a Woodall number or not. How we are going to check this? Firstly, let me just take it in a variable, say x is the variable and x is equal to 383. Now I will check if it is an odd number or even number. So definitely what am I supposed to do? X modulus 2, if it is equal to 0, I will be returning false, right? Because I have, if the number is even, definitely I am going to return false. Now, if the x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, by the way, we will return true, because as I told you, 1 is already a Woodall number, so we don't have to work for that. So if x is equal to 1 we have obtained, then we will be returning true. Now if it is true, what we will do, we will just increment it, okay, to make it even number. Then afterwards, so that the number will become an even number. So if it is what we are going to do, the number will be then 384 now. While we will check this x is divisible by 2. How we are going to do? I will definitely take a loop, for example. Say I will be checking on if while loop I will be taking while x modulus 2 is equal to 0. I mean, we have to just divide it continuously, okay. While it is getting divided, we will be taking what? X is equal to x divided, put the quotient we have to take, so that in order to get the next value, so that we can just find it out how many times it is getting divided. Apart from that, I'll be taking a variable, say count if you want to take, or any other. I'll be just incrementing it. And after that, I'll be checking if the count is equal to what? If the count is equal to x, then we will be printing out that true, yes, it is a what? It is a Woodall number. This is how we are going to find out, okay. This is the logical part to find out the Woodall number. Let us now move on to the coding section. So in the coding section as well, I'll be taking a variable, say 383, I guess we have taken. So I will be creating a method and I will be printing it that yes, it is a Woodall number, or true also we can just print it out, or no. I'll be creating here a method Woodall and I will be supplying it a value x, and the value should be Boolean. Here I will say if Woodall of x is equal to this, then you have to work with this, otherwise you will. If all of this will not work, we will definitely print out false, but there are some conditions which we have to take care of. So first condition is if x modulus 2 is equal to 0, we have to return false, right? We have to return false. Now next point, if x is equal to 1, we have to return true. Done. After that, we will increment the value of x, so that in order to make it an even number, I'll be taking a variable count equal to 0. So because we have to divide it again and again, I'll be writing it off like this. If x modulus 2 is equal to 0, Okay, do what? Find out the quotient so that you can divide it again and increment the counter as well. Counter को प्लस प्लस कर दो. That's it. And counter को प्लस करने के बाद check also this thing. If counter is equal to x, return कर दो true. That is it. So if we will execute it, it will show it. Yes, it is a Woodall number. Let us check for other values as well. 7. Yes. Any other number? 23, 63. 23, 63, 64. No. Okay. So this is how you are going to find out the Woodall number. Hope you guys understand the concept. Thank you very much.